This is screaming winter wonderland. This is screaming slam bam thank you ma'am, I'm here. This transition magical. I'm feeling like a black otherworldly type of mermaid right now.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Way too bright. I done lost some friends pretending they would do me right, just to do me dirty, hurt me surely out of spite. But I learned that early, so refer them to a psych. May it burn me once, but you won't never learn me twice. I done learned my lesson, blessing presence in the lies. Living full of wealth about himself in their disguise. Inside the reflection, someone they don't recognize. Ain't it so ironic when you're living for the lie? Pain just feels so chronic when you're living for the high. Eyes wide open shut because you're living like you're blind. They be biting what I'm writing.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, honey, I'm coming back to you guys with a new unit. This one is from the Bobbi Boss Swoop Part Collection. I'm wearing this one in the style MLF645 Gabriella in the color number TTSG/NB. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get a 5-inch left side curved part, honey. It does also come with HD lace. It is pre-plucked. It does got them little swoop baby hairs, which I am living for, these little curly baby hairs that they had. Like, this is not the type of style that I usually do. Y'all know I like to swoop my baby hairs, but for this, I kind of was digging this whole curl situation that's going on. So you do get the baby hairs with it. There is kind of minimal lace. As far as the hairline is concerned, it's kind of hard to see because the lace is so light. I feel like they did a decent job. It's nothing too crazy. You probably definitely could go in and plug it out some more just to get a more realistic look. But I feel like the way that the hair falls and everything, it's kind of going to cover the hair anyway. So that honestly wasn't super important to me. And as far as the length on this one, honey, it's a long unit. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it comes like below my boobs. Can we get into this beautiful color, like the transition between this like super white light type of blue into this dark blue, honey? Bobbi Boss always serves when it comes to the colors, and this one is no different, honey. I'm pretty sure that this is a new color. I had to try it. I love it. So the texture on this one is, I'm not feeling any hints of silkiness. It's definitely yucky, more so of a dried out yucky, if that makes sense. I definitely did get some shangling, honey. There was shedding, there was tangling. Definitely beware of that. One of the reasons I definitely do think it was because of the length and also just the curl pattern in general. It's like giving loose body wave. That's just something to be on the lookout for. So you're gonna get tangling, you're gonna get shedding. That's just something to expect. It's a long, curly, synthetic unit, honey. Now, as far as the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I feel like if you have a larger size head, this one would be pushing it, honey. I do not have these straps adjusted or anything like that at all, and it's fitting my head very snug. It's not super small, if that makes sense, but there's definitely no stretch to the cap. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I think if your head is any bit bigger than that, this could be an issue for you. It's probably still going to be workable, but at the same point, it may be restricting your head a little bit. So if you are a person with a larger size head, I definitely would be cautious when it comes to this one. The density on it, this is all the hair to the front, and it's definitely fuller than what you'd expect to get with such a longer unit. So I am really here for this, honey. This is definitely going to be at least 150%. You probably could try to go and comb it out a little bit more, get some more volume. I did slightly comb it out some, and that's where these like vivacious curls are coming from, which I am living for. So the density on it is definitely really good. It's not heavy on my head at all. This is winter approved, honey. I would also say that this is going to be a special occasion unit just because based kind of on the dried out yaki texture of it, I don't see this one lasting super long. I think if you were to wear this one every day, it could become an issue for you. The shedding, the tangling, it just could become a whole mess. I think it would be more doable if you were to cut it down to like shoulder length or something like that, but as is, I don't see this one lasting super long every day. This one does not list itself as heat safe, so if you plan on adding heat to this, honey, I would just be careful because like I said, there's no listing about it being heat friendly or whatever. But what I did like about this unit is it wasn't super humpy. It was just a little bit, and all I really had to do to get rid of that was I just used my bristle brush and brushed it down some, and it was giving me what I needed for it to be giving me. So no heat needed. I'm not feeling no humpage. I'm not feeling any tracks. I feel like as a whole, this unit is really pretty. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con is probably just going to be I wish the texture was a little bit softer than it actually is. I do like the fact that it seems like they used a yaki texture with this, which makes me feel like these curls will definitely withstand even with finger combing through them, even with wide tooth combing them. Even though I do like the texture of it, I feel like it's just a little bit too dry for my liking. And even though that Simply Stylin' silicone spray did definitely help out with the dryness, I just kind of wish the texture was a little bit along the lines of soft yaki, if that makes sense. But that definitely was not a deal breaker for me. And also, I mean, just like with a lot of these Bobbi Boss units with the singular lace parts, I just wish they gave us a little more oomph when it comes to the hairline, because it kind of seems like the hairline, they always kind of slack off a little bit and then they put all the work into having a beautifully executed color. But like I said, like I could fake it till I make it with the hairline, but this unit would have probably been pristine if they came through on the hairline for this one. But as a whole, those are going to be the only two cons that I have with this unit. My pros on it are I love this style. It's given glamorous. This was a throw on and go, so it was super easy to style. Very minimal work, honestly. This is definitely beginner friendly. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. This is a showstopper, honey. This is a look but not this unit, but it's still a look at her type of unit. I like the density of it as a whole. This is just really a cute one, and I think if you pick this one up with just keeping in mind that it's for a specific look that you're going for or a specific occasion that you're going for, I don't think you'll be disappointed. But I think if you're picking this up with the hopes of wearing it every day, then I definitely would stray away from it. But other than that, I think this was a super good dupe, and that's pretty much all to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below what any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. Until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.